In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Geospatial Intelligence or Location Technology Model Context Protocol Server MCP server to AI. First, you need to install Cursor AI. Then you will go to the settings. After that, Tools and MCP. Then new MCP server, and you need to write this kind of configuration to connect to your MCP server, providing the URL and kind of HTTP or HTTPS, and also the API key or map key, which you can obtain from the MCP server. After that, you can save and you can go again for the MCP server. You will find it. It is up and running here, and you can connect to different kind of services related to geospatial, like geocoding service, reverse geocoding, search, nearby services, routing, traffic, access to dynamic or static map. So when you can talk or chat with your AI right now, you can directly return results from this kind of services. So it is going to be more accurate geospatial kind of output. So this is our question right now. I'm going to write this question. What is the current traffic congestion near World Trade Center in a specific city, for example, in Dubai, and what are the best alternative routes to avoid delays, and also show nearby electric vehicle stations on a map. So now the AI will use this kind of geospatial services here instead of going randomly and searching the web. So I will be pretty sure that it will return more accurate geospatial kind of results. And this is very important for many kind of solutions like fleet or logistics solutions, also for smart cities, smart mobility, for road and transportation authority, for planning roads or traffic, etc. So you run MCP tool, yes, here. So it is now working on this kind of all geospatial kind of services. So now I got the results and the response with a map and showing electric vehicle stations around World Trade Center, and also it right now gives you also the highlight of traffic situations like traffic congestion, traffic delay around World Trade Center, or any kind of location, or you need to give it to the AI. So, and also it gives you the best alternative routes, so you can use it around this area, and also lastly the nearby electric vehicle stations in this area. And with for sure dynamic map or static map, you can use it. Thank you very much.